Shubhodaya, good morning all. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika talks about 6 ways of purifying ourselves. It's called Shatkarma Kriyas. So when the physical impurities are there, that we can't do much sadhana. Our most of the time is spent in maintaining our body itself. So I can't sit in one position, my knees are hurting, my ankles are hurting, back is hurting, nadis are full of impurities. These impurities got to be removed, removed so that I can be comfortable with the body and I can utilize the time for higher things. That 6 ways of cleansing the body or Shatkarma Kriyas are Neti, Dauti, Kapalabhati, Basti, Tratak and Nauli. It's 6 types. One is the Neti Kriya. Neti Kriya is for cleansing the sinus passage. The sinus, if the heavy-headedness, migraine problem and hay fever problem, that they find relief through Neti Kriya. Neti, pouring the water, it's a Jal Neti, pouring the water through one nostril, it comes out through other, and same is doing with other nostrils. Or Sutra Neti, using the thread, is put the catheter through one nostril, it comes out through the other, or you can get the other end through your mouth and cleanse that sinus port. It is Sutra Neti or Jal Neti. Neti and Dauti. Dauti early morning, if you feel excess pitta, that feel sourness in your mouth, that bile is excess bile, and early morning drink couple of lukewarm water, glasses of lukewarm water with pinch of salt, and in front of sink, bend down and tickle your inner tongue. Whatever you drank, completely it comes out with excess pitta, that kapha and pitta, and you feel lightness in the body, you feel good in the stomach. That is Dauti Kriya. Abdomen up. Basti Kriya, abdomen down. If you have spa at home or clean water where river is available, that Basti Kriya, it's sit in the spa and open your rectal muscles, open and close, and doing that one, water gets sucked in through the lower aperture, cleanses people with piles related problem, lower abdominal problem, they find relief through that one. It's a Basti Kriya. And then it's Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is it's a breathing technique for increasing the lung capacity, energizing the lungs. Overall, prana shakti increases doing Kapalabhati. And Nauli Kriya, we are doing that one. Agnisara Kriya extension is Nauli Kriya, is moving your abdominal muscles from one side to other side. It's a Nauli Kriya, strengthens the abdominal muscles, increases the digestive system. Digestive fire gets increased doing Nauli Kriya. And another is, it is called as Tratak. Tratak Kriya is increasing the eyesight. That it's Upanishad, there is a peace mantra. Bhadram karnebi shrunuyama devaha Bhadram pashyemaksha viryajatraha Stirai angaihi stustuvagam swastunubihi Vishema devahitam yadayuhu. It's a universal peace mantra. It's a beyond mantra, beyond religion. It talks about Bhadram karnebi shrunuyama devaha. May my hearing be sound, and may I be hear it's a good sound throughout my life. That may my hearing be strong, so that I hear the auspicious things all through my life. May Bhadram pashyema, may I eyesight be strong, so that may I see the auspicious things all through my life. And Stirai angaihi, may I have strong limbs, so that I can utilize that one for acquiring the knowledge. That may the divine beings bless me with long life. That is the meaning of that one, that peace mantra, that our yoga class, the purpose behind we run this one, it is also same thing, that strong limbs, strong senses, and so that we utilize this strongness, strong limbs, strong eyes, strong ears, utilize that one for acquiring the knowledge. And Bhagavad Gita says, Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitram idam vidyate. That is, nothing is purifier like a knowledge. This we can apply shampoo or soap, it is purifying for a limited purpose, but knowledge is the ultimate purifier. That knowledge, with the knowledge, with the strong ears and eyes, that acquire knowledge as much as we can. Knowledge can be acquired mainly through hearing and through eyes. That it's hearing, it got to be strong, that presiding deity of the ears, the scripture says moon is the presiding deity, and presiding deities of deity of the eyes is sun. It's a Purusha Sukta also says, Chaksho Suryo Ajayata, through the eyes. Sun is expressing itself through eyes. That through eyes we need to have a strong eyes, and hearing, that we need to have ability to grasp things. That hear one ear and it should not go through other ear. It should reside in the body. That doing constant contemplation, our hearing can be made useful. That otherwise, most of the time we are hearing the gossip things. We would like to talk to other people, that to hear the gossips, but acquiring the knowledge, that hearing should be very sharp. Whatever you hear, you should not forget. And eyes got to be acquiring the knowledge through eyes and retain that information, and it's also for processing. That eyes and ears are the two main avenues for acquiring the knowledge. And today we are doing the Trata Kriya. Trata Kriya is one of the Kriyas for strengthening the eyesights. That we will do another pranayama for strengthening our ears also. Today focus on hearing and eyes. We will practice that one. Lie down on your back.